Hello friends, how are you? I'm back with a new video. Are you ready to enter the world of limitless creativity? In this video, we've rounded up the top 3 3D printers for 2025, combining precision, speed, and innovation. Whether you're a professional fabricator or a hobbyist looking to turn your ideas into reality, this video is for you. Don't forget to support me by subscribing to the channel, activating the bell button, and liking the video. Watch us until the end to discover the printer that will completely change your understanding of 3D printing. 3. The legendary original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus printer, the latest addition to our award-winning printer series, designed to deliver a professional printing experience with ease. Ready to print from the first moment. The printer comes fully assembled and tested from the factory. Just plug it in, start auto-calibration, and start your first print right away. Smart auto-calibration features fully automatic mesh bed leveling to ensure accurate printing regardless of surface conditions. Built-in filament sensor. With an infrared IR sensor, the printer supports automatic filament loading and automatically stops printing when the filament runs low, ensuring no time or material is wasted. High-quality components. The printer includes original Gates belts, famous Bondtech gears, a cutting-edge INC Rambo motherboard, all of which make the MK3S Plus an unbeatable printer in performance and quality. Exclusive gifts and care. With your purchase, you receive a free sample of Prusa PLA filament, 2 × 25 grams, plus lifetime technical support and 24/7 professional customer service. If you're looking for a reliable 3D printer for professional projects or advanced hobbyists, the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is the smart choice. Get started now and enter the world of 3D printing with creativity and precision. 2. Snapmaker Artisan 3-in-1. One machine, 3 functions, and limitless creativity. One machine, 3 professional functions. Turn your Artisan printer into an all-in-one manufacturing station that supports 3D printing, laser engraving and cutting, CNC engraving and carving. All thanks to a modular design that quickly swaps heads in just 1 minute. Note: only the basic version comes with 3D printing functionality. Ample workspace. Without the need for a large footprint, with a large 400 by 400 by 400 millimeter print area, you can easily complete complex projects while keeping your workspace neat and organized. High-precision dual extrusion printing. The upgraded dual extrusion unit features a 7:5:1 planetary gear ratio, allowing for faster speed, higher accuracy, and the ability to efficiently use various filament types. Ultra-durable industrial metal design. An all-metal construction with a precision-molded one-piece base and micron-milled steel guide rails. The result? Amazing stability, industrial-grade rigidity, and unparalleled precision even at high speeds. Supports over 600 materials. Whether you're working with PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, or even nylon, or engraving on wood, leather, acrylic, and metal, the Snapmaker Artisan excels at every task. Supporting multiple tools up to a 200-watt CNC unit. Innovative ease of use with a professional interface. Equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen that lets you view live work status, adjust tip temperatures, view G-code files, switch heads without having to turn off the machine, all via a free, easy-to-use 3-in-1 software that meets your printing, laser, and engraving needs. 1. Creality K2 Plus Combo. A printer that combines superior performance, artificial intelligence, and professional material support in one device for everyone, from professionals to beginners. 16-color multi-material printing. Unleash your creativity with the scalable CFS system, which supports up to 16 colors in a single run. Creality's intelligent material system automatically controls 4 filaments simultaneously, eliminating the need for manual switching or post-printing. Ideal for multicolor prototyping and professional testing. Industrial-grade speed and accuracy. Print at speeds up to 600 millimeters per second and acceleration up to 30,000 millimeters per second squared, thanks to a high-performance servo drive system, a high-flow 40 millimeters cubic second print head, 2 to 3 times faster than traditional large-format printers, without sacrificing quality. Advanced professional material compatibility. Thanks to a heated print chamber reaching 300 degrees Celsius and a reinforced steel nozzle, you can print with engineered fill, PACF, PLACF, ASA, and other materials used in the aerospace, automotive, and functional prototyping industries. An intelligent self-correction system. Powered by 2 smart cameras for real-time print monitoring, the printer detects defects such as spaghetti filament problems, foreign objects, sudden stops. The printer also features a dual Z-axis calibration system and a friction sensor system for a 99% first-layer success rate. Professional stability on every layer. The heavy-duty metal frame with dual Z rails ensures micron-level accuracy across a 350 by 350 by 350 millimeter print area. It is complemented by filament runout sensors and automatic cutters to ensure long print runs without interruption or layer slippage. An ideal educational tool for everyone. Not only is it an industrial printer, it can also be used as an excellent educational tool to motivate children and develop their creative skills.